Chad, what is up? Welcome back to New York session. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys have got the energy and let's kill these markets today, guys. It's going to be a very, very good one. So let's keep it moving. Let's get some momentum. Let's get the energy. Let's get the vibes. It's going to be a goodie. Jeff, how you doing, my brother?
I'm doing well, man. How are you doing, Keeves?
I'm great, my brother. No complaints. Moski, just let us know with the sound if everything's good there. Morning, guys. Great to see you guys all back once again. There we go. Okay, Keenan, Jix, Chepo, Howard, Waden, Alex, Jordan, Louis, Donnie, Sean, great to have you guys all here. Go to see you guys are committed. You guys want to learn. You guys want to make money. Just leave the likes. Having the crosses day. Afternoon, gents. Good day. Afternoon, lads. Hope the day has been good. Keeks and Jevin, I'm getting banger results from testing your stuff. Oh, bro, it means so much to us. I'm glad to hear it. Afternoon, Yellow. Afternoon, Middag. Love the piano. Yeah, guys, change up the vibes there. We're gonna bring some energy. Chris Giggs, that lad spread. Hello, hey Giggs, what's up, guys? So yeah, guys, I think we can basically get into it already. So this alert, what I'm gonna, I should take that away. So this alert was just because of news. I wanted to see what was going on over there. So guys, we had the little news event come out now. So if we go over here at 2:15. So this non-farm employment change, if you guys don't know, it's basically like a mini NFP. Nothing too crazy, but that did bring a little bit of action into the markets, as you guys can see. So definitely something to pay note of. Now, go to gold, guys. So those of you that don't know, weren't in the morning session with us, we've had a pullback, as you guys can see. But keeping in mind, sorry guys, we're just dropping the music a little bit. There we go. Okay.
Oh, sorry, Keeks. I'm actually earlier today. GJ. So I'm bullish on GJ and it's at my zone. So I'm literally just waiting for confirmation, then I'm gonna go long.
Okay, guys. So there is Jevon's GJ trade. Just so you guys can see, Jev, just let the guys know when you do enter, but I will be running everything on the other side of things. So yeah, just let us know when you're gonna enter.
We'll do.
Okay, cool. So guys, back to the market. So gold, as we can see, we've had the pullback. Now for those of you that weren't here, this 1982.5 1983 level is basically what we've been saying from Monday. You guys can see this was Friday. When we opened on Monday, we said we wanted to pull back to this zone. That block has been there since Monday, and that's where we got the retest. We got a little fake out to the bottom side, went straight back into the zone. If you can look here on the 15, literally broke out, kind of tested it, found a bit of support back above, broke under, set on Asia lows and Asia highs actually just above the zone. So this is actually very, very interesting, but also something very nice for us. We then later closed just above, obviously now testing Asia highs, with our key level being right above it. So when we go over, sorry guys, when we go over to the 1 hour, you guys will see here, just hold on. Okay, when you guys go back above here, you can see we are now getting that bullish momentum over here. I'd like to see a bit more of a pullback, really test Asia highs to continue upwards. So for me guys, what I would love to see is that we do hold this area. If gold can either give us that retracement, so where's my things? If gold can either give us a retracement to do this, we can look for support, continue up. If we stay above, I want to buy, guys. Okay, if we get back above this monthly key level, I want to buy, I want to go long. Very, very simple. But if somehow for some reason we get back below, we'll look for sales. But I'm very, very looking on the bullish side of gold. So again, and people will say, oh, but look at all the bearish momentum. Simple, guys. This is a retracement. If you guys know order flows, very, very simple. I'm sure you guys hear all the time, but higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Very, very simple stuff there. So that is why I'm still very, very bullish on gold. So as though again, weren't you or don't know fundamentals, you have FOMC still the big daddy coming tonight. So there will be a lot of news. We might get on market open a bit of a push, and I don't mind trading news, guys. That's why I say if I can get an entry, as I said, a pullback, catch it here, go long. If I'm sitting over here, for example, my FOMC, I'll hold the trade, because most likely we'll get a wick down, maybe just to an area like this of a key level, and get that momentum up. So this, if I'll hold, if I'm in this situation by FOMC. But if we are somewhere like this, still with FOMC, very, very different story, because this can wick down, break this very strong support area, and do something like that. You see the difference now. So that is why where we get a trade now, I would need it to be very strong. We need to be in, we need to be out. So that will be the aim of the game with gold today. But as I said, we want to have a wick down or a wick back up. We can look at key thing again. If you guys know me, we have our daily EQ and daily pivot away from us. We've been under them the whole day. If we look at the AD is finally coming back up. So if we can get it back above the AD, we definitely can see us going for that retest of the pivot and the EQ. Another interesting thing, guys, is with the dollar. So again, with the heavy fundamentals at the moment, they are not really 100% correlated like they normally are. But in me saying that, that is more when they're both in strength together. They're not correlated. But I promise you, if you see dollar get weaker, gold will still get stronger. So gold, on that fact, being at a daily key level, we start seeing some rejection here again, even if it's just temporary. Again, a little bit of a pullback somewhere here, find support, back above, carries on. But that pullback can definitely be what can spark gold in a bullish momentum again. So that's why we're going to stick with that. But I'll keep you guys up to date. We know what we're looking for, we know what we want with gold today, so we can just set those areas for us. Then going over to US30, guys, we're going to see US30. So this is where I said to you guys again, was starting to go bullish. Was first thing we needed to do. We needed to get above this 4-hour support area. As you guys can see here, we needed to hold that. This is where we broke it last time and I stayed bearish. Now we've turned around, we are holding the area again. We've closed above it. Key thing, we've closed above it. Thing I don't like, I would have loved us to have maybe gone down, even tested here, wicked out the bottom and turned around. But you know what, we can't always be beggars and pleasers. We'll take what we get. So thing is, we were in a range the whole day. We took the highs. Now as you guys know, with US30 we love these fake outs, they love it. So we had the take out the highs, set the highs, test the daily R. We came back down. Thing is, guys, at this point in time, Asia lows were untested, so we broke Asia lows, tested them, almost had that bit of a fake out, holders support. So this is now your buy, your sellers are want to start coming into the market. Your sellers get faked out, turns around right back through, all the way back to Asia highs, hold Asia highs, continue upwards. So this will be a very, very nice move for us, especially the minute. If you guys can see here, when we draw over to the 1 hour, you'll see it. That is our key point. This is literally the strong point we are trying to clear. So once we can get above here, this is going to be some clear sailing for us. We really can see a massive trade coming. So for me, guys, I want to see something like us break above this. If we can get above here, literally I'll go long for FOMC time, because if FOMC comes out negative for the dollar, if they do continue to pause and hold on the hike rates, dollar will have a bit of a de-stress, and that will literally see something like this for US30. Okay, where if dollar comes out with actually an increase in the rate hikes, we'll see this crash, but it is very, very unlikely. The forecast is even actually to see the dollar being paused, so we should see the indices and gold getting a bit of a spark tonight. And then that obviously depends on what he starts saying in the press conference. But US30, I am bullish for now. We are literally starting to flip it, so that's why this becomes such a key area for us to break now. Already these areas we are starting to break above, so this is already our first step, our first stone that we are now getting over. So that is definitely what we'll keep looking for there. Nas, so now as you guys can see, Nas tested our daily pivot but no EQ yet. So Nas has done something almost very, very similar, but when you start looking on the daily, it's not as solid zones as what US30 has. Now that's what the problem is. Nas will kind of really be getting its strides when it gets back above this zone. So I am bullish on it. In a case, I think there you can see difference. US30, I'm bullish 100%. Nas, I'm bullish on the daily, but I'm still neutral on the week, because today will be that day. If this gets rejected on this area, tomorrow I'm selling. Very, very simple. But if we can take this, I'm very happy to continue upwards. So Nas, I'm a bit more skeptical than the other one. If I look at order flow, very, very happy with what I'm seeing. So again, if I had to choose between the two, US30 might be the one for today. But again, guys, we'll just see. We are literally going to react at this point, because again, we had our low, we had our test of the highs, almost failed to break the lows. We had our fake out, same as US30, to turn all the way around. Same thing, come back for support. This is where your sellers want to get in, and bang, they all got munched straight away. So very, very similar to US30. Now we just need to basically pay attention very carefully to what the dollar does. Dollar gets rejected, same thing, Nas and US30 will give us that push to the upside. And where US30 just needs to clear this, we are good to go. Same with Nas. If Nas can get above this zone and start holding, if Nas can get up here, start doing something like this, we are good to go. So we're just going to be very, very careful and watch these closures for the day. If we do start going backwards here though, and we start looking with our daily count, so same thing, guys. If we break this down very, very quickly for you, so from Thursday last week we had our low. So if we just do this, I'm going to show you guys something. So that was our low of last week. Let's just look at that. We'll go low of previous week. Okay. Now our high. So where's our high? Wednesday. Yeah, so Wednesday is basically the weekly key level. Okay, so we know where that is. Now, simple thing, we are very, very far away from this. Very unlikely we are going to take this out. So we're going to continue our bullish momentum. Now when we start looking here, there you go, nothing happened inside day. Okay, nothing happened. You didn't take a low, you didn't take a high out. So we've killed momentum of the downwards. Now day 2, low, open, close, green setup day, open, close, green setup day. Day 3, open, close must be above, so your day 3 should be a green setup day as well for continuation purposes. So again, that does give us our confirmation that, well, not confirmation, I'd say more confluency, that we will see that continuation today. So again, I am bullish on both of them. But yeah, guys, that is my quick machine gun analysis of the two. For those that haven't been here or weren't here yesterday, if you have any other pairs, I will go through the chat now. I will look at them now. Once market opens, I'm focusing on gold, US30, Nas. I will not be going through other pairs, okay? I hope you guys understand. But alright, let's get this, guys. Lol, Chris straight vibing in the back. Hi guys, afternoon. Just me, or is the mic a bit low? Guys, just let me know if the mic's a bit low. I think everything's good on my side. So yeah, guys, just let me know if anyone else thinks the mic's a bit low. Hi guys, I've been holding a trade with gold since 1983. 48 on gold. Should I hold it or just cut my losses on a sell? 19. I can take this off now, actually. Let's look here for you, my man. 1983. Yo, 1983, you're gonna sell, bro. Yeah, I would cut it. That's me personally. I'd cut it. But why? What made you sell there, bro? If I may ask, what was it? The fact Asia highs, or what made you sell? What's up, G? Sup, lads? Sounds good. I just turned you up. Okay, perfect. Mic is solid. Awesome. But yeah, guys, we definitely should get a good trades in here today. 4 o'clock, we do have some more news coming out. So 4 o'clock, we've got manufacturing PMI and we got jobs opening. So 2 very, very big ones as well. And then the 2 ones there, the Fed funds rate. So obviously, if you guys don't know, that's where they're going to make the decision if they are holding, pausing, or hiking. And then FOMC is the statement, and then the press conference. So a lot of statements will come out there, and the press conference is where they'll start breaking that down, and then also talking about future things as well. So that is why these are actually very, very important as well. But we will start seeing that momentum come in over here. But as I said, PMI, you can see them are previous, and the forecast to stay the same. So we'll see what happens on the markets for us here. Was a mistake I made, man. I was on a conference and mistakenly pressed the button, lol. Well, bro, all honestly, if that was a mistake, the minute you open it, you should have closed it. Yeah. You should have just closed that thing straight away. But yeah, guys, trades have been pretty quiet today. As we always mention to you guys, again, mentioned in the lives, when you've got these massive fundamental, massive news days, you will see markets are quite likely to just range or stay in a certain zone because it's building up all that volume that's going to come up later. So don't try to force something early in the morning. I think I told Chris, I called it just before 12. I said, listen, I'm done. Like, I don't even care if my setup comes. I won't take the trade there. Just because it's time-wise, you're too close to news, I'm not interested. Jordan, being in a GJ sell since Asia's open this morning in profit. What was Jevon's buy criteria? Trying to see why he thinks it will move up, or when is a good time to close my trade. I thought it would push to 182,500. So I'll just look at it quickly, and then Jev can give you his answer on that. So firstly, bro, I am bullish on GJ, so I don't see a massive retracement coming. You want to go all the way to 182,500. That is a massive pullback, bro. I think it's very, very unlikely that is going to happen. I can just tell you that now. Yeah, I do not see that happening at all. You've got already much key level areas going to come in here above. You've got your resistance, which will actually start holding a support now. Again, can be the fake outs. Thing is also on the daily. You've got basically nothing to a top wick on this thing. Key thing I always said to you guys, if you guys see me trade news, you get a candle like this on a news event, quite often you'll see a retracement just to get to at least half of that candle, and that will just be your support and then turn around again. When we start breaking it down to the 4 hour, you can see there's not much going on here at this point in time. So not something, I mean, yeah, you actually already are basically consolidating on these 1 hour lows. So for me, yeah, definitely not something I'd look at. Already 182,720 is your other key area. Your daily EQ is already just above that. You got the 200 EMA you're going to be testing very soon in line with the weekly res, which will be supported now. You did push down to get your daily pivot, so that was where your push came in. But yeah, I do not see that going all the way to 182,500, unfortunately. But Jev, what is your thoughts? And then can you just explain why you want to go long on GJ?
So yeah, pretty simple. I do understand why he says that level 182,500, because if you measure the previous daily candle and you measure like literally from the high to the low and you measure 50%, it more or less adds up to that zone. So as equilibrium, I do understand that perspective. But going back to what Keegan said, there's technically no top wick on the daily time frame, and also we had this break of structure on the daily technically at that level, which was at the institutional level as well. And then if we go on the 1 hour, you guys will see that clearly we're in a demand, in an uptrend right now at the moment. I think this happened yesterday, yes, last night. So last night we actually had a break of structure, internal break of structure at this level. So all of this sell momentum I see as just catering back as a pullback into this unmitigated demand zone. And also if I go to the 50-minute chart and I throw my pivots on here, so my pivots look a bit different. You would see that this smaller red line here in my demand zone, that is my pivot. So my confluence is a demand zone, unmitigated, institutional level, pivot, timing as well, obviously, which is New York session. But now all about waiting for confirmation. We've done this the exact same way ever since last Wednesday, waiting for price to close above my level on the 5-minute. And then we've been hitting TP. So just sticking to what works, not overcomplicating it. Also, it's the first of the month, so anything can still happen. But this goes back to confirmation, so we're patiently waiting. To be honest, I might not even take anything today.
Nah, awesome, Jeff, awesome. Okay, but there you guys have heard it from him as well, and what we are looking at. Thank you. Will you be trading live for news tonight? Just to know one, bro. I am chilling out. I'm relaxing in that time. I think if I was trading then, my girlfriend will definitely be hitting me over the head. Thanks, Keeks, for your input. Jev's mic is considerably louder than Keeks. Not sure who is loud or who is quiet. That's Mo's in the chat. He must just let me know what's going on there. Yeah, Chris turned down his, I believe. Took a trade on Nas, and when I wanted to get out, it would not let me. And when it did, it was very delayed. Not sure if you've had the same problem today, Keeks. Unfortunately, I haven't had the same problem today. Well, fortunately, but I have had it in the past. So I do know what you're talking about. Very methodical, Jevon and Keegan. Thank you so much. Hi, gents. US30 just heading north. Yeah, guys. Like I say, if it can get above these areas, I'm gonna love it. But we just want to be careful we don't get caught in that fake out, because the thing that is bothering me is that US30 and NAS are climbing at the same time as the dollar is, which normally doesn't line up. So again, something's not right, and that's where you're going to get hurt a bit. But we are just getting everything ready on this side, guys. That's all I'm trying to just sort
just
out
doing a mic
here.
test quickly for Mo. How's the sound, Mo? Just doing a sound test quickly for Mo with my mic. How's the sound, Mo?
Now it's even. Now it's more even. Thank you. Okay, cool. That sounds well. If it's apparently sounding better, then that's awesome, guys. Glad to hear. Damien, no, we haven't, bro. We are waiting for market open in 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes. So we are waiting for that. Jev is already looking at a trade, but he isn't in it yet. Yeah, Lauren, I just explained that one for you guys now. But yo, guys, 160 viewers at only 57 likes. Come on, guys, let's get those likes up to 100. We don't ask for much. That's all we ask for on your guys' side. See what I mean, guys? US30 is having a bit of a reaction to the dollar, and that's with gold still being in a safe haven, all of these, and it is still reacting. So the fact US30 and NAS aren't as of yet is just a little concern for me. So gold is back at the Asia highs. Do you look at the RSI when trading? No, I don't. Yeah, don't use the RSI. I can't even remember when last I looked at it. Ryan Keegs. What's up, my man? Don't. Which Ryan's this? Do you look at the that was the. Did I miss any trades? No, we haven't taken a trade yet, guys. We are still waiting. We're waiting for market open in 1 minute. Yo, GU is dying. I called this for you guys in the morning stream already. I don't know if any of you guys took that. What do you think about RCT? The D, were you here this morning? Because that's weird. That's the second time today we've been asked about RCT. It's good. I just think for people that don't understand, or it will just overwhelm them. They won't really be able to understand the concepts, and they will be caught in all the information. There's a way he's done it that you can get a bit lost in it. I think that's actually the thing about it. So very good. There is some certain concepts we use from it, but yeah. Does anyone in the chat understand the correlation between bond yields and USD JPY? I don't, bro. I don't use that. I don't look at that, so I can't answer you on that one anyway. Just because GU entered during London. The cool. My phone is sorry. Views on gold. Nah, all good. Views on gold. I'd like to go long, bro. So I'm just waiting for obviously market open, but I would like to go long. The Forex primer course from ICD is good, not hugely complicated. Well, there we go, guys. You can help each other out with those ones. As I said, I keep it relatively simple for you guys. But their market is live and gold is taking shots straight off the bat. And that's why we wait, guys. I told you that was my zone. I want to enter over here. Asia highs on the top of this zone. But this is why we wait for market open. US30, there's that drop off. Nas also having the drop off. Dollar continuing nice and steadily upwards. So that's what we're going to wait for you guys. We need to just see, be patient, don't rush it. The only problem is now with the whole market and daylight saving going to be coming in and everything like that. All these events are kind of getting pushed down a bit. So for us, where we enter like 3:30, we wait a 15-minute shuffle. You got 15 minutes you can possibly enter a trade, and then it's straight into news. So like I did blindly, what, Monday, where I took that trade on the start of the freaking news event because I forgot about it. I am liking Nas though, guys. I really am. I said if we can start holding this area, I'll be very, very happy with this. US30, still like I said, testing that 1 hour area now. So same thing we want to watch. And gold. So this is the same US30 I have. Let's just check here. US30 Black Bull. Oh, US30 Black Bull. Okay, that is the same one. And then which one do I have for Nas? Oh, and yeah. Let's go Nas. So there we go, guys. Very simple. Now we know we've got our list here. Literally have our 3 pairs for New York session. So we know we're not playing around. Oh crap, which one do I use for capital? Let's put in capital as well. DXY. So there we go. So now we know at least what we're looking for, what we're watching. As long as gold stays here, I'm still very, very happy with that. US30. There we go. There comes the sells. Nas. Anything, guys, we could get a sell on Nas, but we will see with that one. Just gonna be patient. There we go. Gold turning around. Okay, guys, 175, still only 85 likes. That's nearly half of you guys. Please, guys, let's just get those likes up to 100. Sure, you guys want to take a trade, all we ask for is likes. That's it. Okay, I just want to get my account ready here. So we know when we want to pull the trigger, we are good to go. Okay. Gold's coming back to the party here. So we'll see what we can do there. US30. You're the best, King. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Nas is giving us a little bit of a hard time here. Playing hard to get. You know what, guys, like what I would look for here is if we can maybe get one, maybe a small candle closure, another small bearish candle, that bullish one. If we can get a big bullish and close above the zones, then I will be in on Nas. So that's really what I'm going to look for with Nas. US30. To be fair, US30 is also in a bit of a nice area for us here. Breaking that structure. So we can get a nice bullish up here. We can also probably go in there. But again, that's all just waiting for now. And gold. Gold's still looking like my favorite here, guys. Maybe we get a nice gold trade here today. Something I'll take a swing at. TP and stop loss in Nas. Well, bro, I can only tell you that once I enter. My TP and stop loss is based on where my entry point is. So only once I enter, I can tell you that. Looking for buys on Nas. What's dollar doing now? Dollar's like playing with guys' emotions. Just while we are waiting here, guys, keeping myself busy. Guys, I hope you people have like clean charts when you trade. Like you're not sitting there with it looking like a 5-year-old's coloring in book. Some squiggly, some dinosaurs. You've got 22 different colors on the charts. Busy with pile dance, and let's get that liquidity slow jams. What time frames do you look at? Basically rotate through a lot, but I like taking my trades off either the 15 and the 5, and I get my analysis a lot of the time off the 1 and the 4 hour. But as I said, guys, on the watermark, this number that's here in the back, that is the time frame I'm currently on. Okay, 4 more minutes, and then the 50-minute shuffle is come and gone. So we are just going to be very, very patient here, guys. We know what we want, we know what we're looking for. Dave, you still in your GJ trade yet?
Not as yet. So sweeping that lows. Now I want to see what's going to happen here now. I have a very similar idea on GBP USD, but there's no confirmation for me as yet. So like I said earlier, I'm very skeptical about trading today, this session.
Well, guys, Jevin has the hoogly booglies to trade on the first. He doesn't like it. But you know what? I respect it in the sense he says like he's done, he's back tested, and he just knows on the idea that the firsts are not always very good for him. So you're hesitant already. But he's done the time. It's not just because it's the first of the month or he's wearing his bad luck undies. He's looked at it, and statistically it's a bit of a tough one. But he's here, he shows up. US30 closing down below. And Nas taking off. Nas can be the right one if dollars starts rejecting. That will be our gold bars as well. So that is why I'm loving the gold bars here. I would love if we can close above. So let's just be patient with that one. Nas taking off like a rocket. So that's why I said US30. We'll wait for it to get back above that 1 hour area. Nas is just going. DXY looking to really start to fall a bit. So if we can close above here, guys, I would love to go in. Okay, I will take a shot at it with 0.5%. So I'm already telling you guys, okay, so be ready, don't panic when you see I'm going to enter, but I'm going to take a shot at it with 0.5%. So if we can close above this block area, I will be in on it, guys. Okay, 40 seconds. You're buying or selling? I am buying, guys. I told you the whole time I am bullish. If I've got a bullish bias, if I'm gonna sell, someone hit me because I've clearly lost my mind. Very, very simple thing. I have my analysis, I have my bias. Once my bias is there, if I know I'm bullish, I only look for buys. If I'm bearish, I only look for sells. I will not fade myself. Okay, 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I am in, guys. I'm in. So yeah, this thing gave me a bit of a cuck spread, but it actually, well, not actually a bad spread, it just entered my trade late. So that was a bit of a shit one, but hey, we make it work. So entry 184.1.
No, I definitely second that trade on gold. I think we must just hold this one, Keys. Hey, mustn't get left behind this time.
Yo, bro, I will be. Thing is, I am running a tight stop on it though, so that is the only bit of a concern. But a tight stop with 0.5%. So if I really had to get tapped out, I would just re-enter because I do have another 0.5%. Okay. And it's simple. The first TP will be a 1-to-1, guys. Very, very simple. Yes, we can. What TP have in mind? As I say, guys, this is just first TP, so yeah, we can manage it from there. What's he gonna buy? Well, I'm on gold, so I'm pretty sure I'm buying gold. Pray for gold, guys. Let's bring the volume, guys. Let's bring it.
But man, I feel so bad now. Trade moved so quickly. I couldn't tell you guys to enter this GU.
Are you going long on G? What you doing?
Yeah, I'm already in profit. Move so quickly. I would say if you can trace this back to that institutional level, like at 21,100, at the 1.2100 level, you can look to go long with the 8 pip stop. No, sorry, 10 pip stop.
You heard it from the man. Okay, there we go, guys. Bring the peaches. You can see the volume coming into the market here. You can see it coming in. Those quick spikes. You blink and you're gonna miss it. But I told you guys, I will sit here and I'm done missing trades. We're here to trade, we are not here to sit and look. At what point do you move stop loss to break even? Probably 50% of the move, then I go break even. So I'd go break even pretty soon, yeah, actually. Maybe even about 60% of this till TP1, then I'll go break even. So already if you want to, because like I said, this should start flashing. You actually could even go break even already if you want to. But again, for me, it's 0.5% I'm risking. So I will just let it run still for a little bit before I go break even. Okay, guys, go break even on the trade. Yeah, break even on the trade, guys. So we are literally just waiting for our TP. Like I said, if and reason now you're running risk free, so if anything happens, that is fine, but you are at stop loss to break even. So if this had to tap us out here, I'm not too persuaded. I can literally look for a re-entry on it. Yo, markets are getting volatile. As I mentioned, guys, it probably will with all the news events today. So markets will most likely be very, very volatile. So that's all we got to watch out for. But that's why I'll do these break evens on a day like this. A lot of people won't even trade today. So the fact we are still here, we're still rocking up. That's why I'll just rather be safe than sorry.
Okay, please, can you please share my screen, please?
I will share it for you now.
Awesome.
Yeah, you're alive.
Okay, so just want to show you guys quickly on GU. This is what I was looking at. So the low was formed in the demand zone. Usually want to see a sweep of the low just one more time. So if you had that sweep, price had that. So technically I used this as a change of character over here. Price came back, tapped it. That's why I entered it. And when I told you guys it moved so quickly. So a similar thing on GJ. Want to see the same thing happen. So as you can see, price broke below that point. Same thing. Want to see them sweep that low. As you can see, the only difference is the pattern on GJ looks a bit more different than on GU. But then also look, there we have 1, 2, 3 down candles. That's really psychological, that number 3. So the same thing could still happen now on GJ, where price goes back, comes back to my zone, and then I take that long.
Awesome. You guys heard it from the man. Plan of action, guys. That's what I said. We are giving it to you here on a silver platter. All we ask for is the likes. That's it, guys. I must say I am very happy with it. The fact that dollar is pumping down, so I am very, very happy with this trade. As I said, volatility coming into the markets, that's purely only reason I'll go stop loss to break even, because this is going to be a tough day to trade. So I'll rather get stopped at break evens than take a loss. Let's go, you guys. Another entry on US30. Thing is, guys, US30 again, I mentioned to you, I'd maybe want a little bit of a retest there before I go in. Nas is completely gone. Gold still holding in there. So we'll just sit here patiently now and just wait for it to finish up, make up its mind what it wants to do. DXY trying to stay alive. What are we looking like on the 15? Still very happy with this trade on the 15 minute actually. There I'm very, very happy with it. So on the 15 I'm very, very happy with it. Peaches for Keegs. Come on guys, 200 viewers or 210 viewers basically, 130 likes. Let's get those likes up, guys. Let's get them at 160. Technically gold's not in consolidating, the fact we are breaking above the zones now. So technically we're not in consolidating, we're now going to start moving. But we will become very, very volatile. That's why we are being so careful with our stop losses and that now.
Yeah, that's some beautiful trade you caught in gold, bro. I'm looking at it now, at the demand zone there where you bought, and then price switched all that liquidity. So I think gold's gonna fly pretty nice.
Yeah, no, it can be a monster trade, but as I say to the guys, I don't try and do these swing trades with them yet. Well, not at the moment. We can maybe try and do that more later on. but I'm just trying to teach them one-to-ones and being consistent. We came here on Monday, we hit them there, we hit a massive trade. Tuesday, we didn't get a trade. Wednesday, we came back. We didn't force anything on Tuesday. Wednesday, we came back, and you clap out another win. So I'm just trying to teach the guys that consistency and being fully transparent with them. As I mentioned, guys, you can close it out already if you want to. Don't have to hold at this point. But I will just set it, as I said, I've got stop loss to break even. So I'm not going to cry, but you can make that call yourself. Jordan, New Zealand 57th at the moment. A bit of a cricket news. New Zealand's in a bit of trouble there. I think we were 100 and something for one, if I'm correct. 57 for 3. They are in a bit of trouble. My final TB is 1992. As I said, bro, you guys can hold till wherever you want. Yes, indeed. Chasing 358. What's up, gents? Good to see you again, even though I'm a bit late. Yeah, bro, you've already missed the moves. If it takes TP, I passed my first funded account. I've been fading for 4 months now. Well, bro, you know where it's at. We're gonna help you do it. We're gonna help you pass. So just be consistent, show up, and we'll keep on doing this. You think news will push gold up tonight because of war? Well, tonight's news has nothing to do with the war, so it's more decision of the interest rates. So yeah, I am leading to a more bearish outlook for the dollar, so bullish outlook for gold. But yeah, bro, tonight's news has nothing to do with the war. Mr. Streams all now, what's going on? Had a meeting. UK 100 buying is flying. Looking for some NAS and gold entries. Well, gold, bro, we are already in our trade. Stop losses are at break even, and we are just waiting for TP now. NAS, we missed it. We called that area, but didn't catch it. And yeah, that's it for the day, basically. Jevon's in GJ. What are you in, Jev?
I'm in a buy on GBP USD. I'm in with you on gold, and then I'm waiting for confirmation on GBP yen.
Yeah, well, there you go, guys. Yeah, those are the 3 trades we're in. US30. If I had this, I would have still waited for a retest. We never got the retest, and NAS just ran away without us. So I'm not forcing any of those trades. Alright, guys, dollar is trying to come back at this point. So really, if you guys want to, you can close out on gold already, but as I said, I will hold it still. What you're looking for on GJ, bro? Jeff had a breakdown for what he wants to do on GJ, but I'm not looking at GJ. Jeff, are you still looking at the GJ trade?
Yes, I'm waiting for it. But like I always mention to you guys, 5 o'clock is my cutoff. So if I don't have a confirmation by 4:30, then no trades in me on GJ. So for the guy who asked what I'm looking for, maybe you can just share my screen again, Chris. So I can just show him quickly.
Sure. No. Yeah, you love.
Okay, so like I explained to everyone in the chat now, We had this low that formed in this demand zone slightly below our pivot. Then I want to see price take out these lows, similar pattern like on GU. So I want to see price now basically can break above this high, forming a change of character, which will also close above the pivot and institutional level. Once that happens, I want to see a small retracement and then take that buy from that level. So pretty simple, pretty simple.
There we have it. So yeah, a lot of the trades being taken already today. We got our moves pretty quickly in the day, as I mentioned to you, with news. And there goes gold.
Shit. Look at here.
Okay, well, TP hit, guys. Once again, TP hits. I don't know what the hell that was, but there goes our TP.
And there we're gonna miss entry on GJ once again. If you guys can get in on that retracement, like it's almost there. If you can get in there now, then you can go long.
Another TP hit, guys. Yeah, our TP also even hit. That thing took the bloody roof of our TP. But guys, once again, from myself and Billy, another day, another dollar. We don't miss, guys. We don't miss. There we go, guys. TP flipping smashed. Can you please lower the music? Is the music that loud? That no one else has said anything? Fuck me, wow, what the fuck? Hey, we take those. Oh, I need help here. Yo, news out, just grab that gold right after the pump. I'm out. Nice, needed that today. Crazy. Happy New Year. What the hell? That was Jolt job openings. Still in buys. Bro, if you still in buys, you can hold, my man. 6 pips away from my TP. Well, Daniel, congrats, bro. That should be your funded account if I'm correct. Billy the Goat. Was there news? There must have been news. No, music is good. Music is fine. Nad's good. Music is nice and low. Perfect. Well, there we go, guys. As I said, another TP. Come on, guys. Can we get some peaches in the chat? We've literally got a winning streak going this week. I think we haven't missed since last week, Thursday. So, yeah. Really, really awesome one, guys. Let's bring those another TP. Done and dusted. There we go. Keeping it consistent, being transparent, and you will be rewarded. Thanks for that gold bar. Keys and gold's profit is like bread and butter. Appreciate it, guys. Inevitable. Peaches, the Peach Army. Well done, guys. Great to see the W. Another day, another dollar. Literally, guys, we don't miss. Literally, guys. There we go. Once again. So there. We came, we conquered, we saw. Told you guys we were going to be in and out, and that was perfect. I'm holding gold till tonight, risk-free trade. Tristan, bro, if you want to, like I said, go TP, go stop loss, break even, let it run. This thing stays around there, bro. You are solid. You're going to be styling, my man. US30 at a bit of a jump. Nas, nothing really. Dollar is in the dirt. Dollar went all the way back down to Asia highs for a test. Can we go long on EU? Bro, I'm not looking at EU. So that one is up to you. I don't know if anyone else is in on EU with you. Thanks guys, was down 2% and now up 1%. There we go, bro. Profitable day for you. Do you think gold will retest again the Asia lows? No, I don't think so. I am bullish for the day, chef, so I don't see you testing Asia lows. You guys are legit goats. Appreciate it, my brother. Appreciate it. Much love from myself and Billy. Big W. Thanks for the trade, Keegs. Oh, Mo Money in the house. Did you take the trade, Mo? Your first win. Well, there we go, guys. Once again. Great play, guys. Pullback on US30. Sorry, not EU. I mean, was GU. Sorry, typo. Oh, no, that's perfect. Jev, they want to know, could they have gone long on GU on the retest?
I would not. I don't think it's going to come back there. But if you want to take that risk, I wouldn't recommend it. I'm in risk free, so I wanted to see it run from here. If it comes back there, I wouldn't want to see it come back down. I don't want to see gold coming down either. So yeah, but if it does and it holds, you guys can be my guest.
Yeah, so Dorito, what I would like to see, you had to come back because there's a bit of a gap. My only thing is, if you can hold this area, find support, then you can look to go long. But other than that, I wouldn't look at anything else. I think because dollar, same as gold, guys. So when these news things happen, like this, yeah, this massive wick, small body, 100% you buy that straight away. You buy that right there. It's gonna fill the wick. So with dollar has a massive wick here that needs to go be filled. So obviously, if dollar's gonna go down, US30 and Nas should go up. Okay, that should make sense. So definitely should be able to see that come back for you guys. So US30, I think you could have a shot there. GJ buys anime. I don't know, bro. As I mentioned, I think you were the one that asked yesterday. I will not look at other pairs. If you want me to look at pairs, you need to join nice and early before market opens. After that, not on the watch list, I'm not looking at it. Because I get to focus, we deliver wins for the team. I win, you guys win. Thanks, team. All wins. Will you be looking for a trade in US30? I won't, bro. I'm not going to be greedy. I got my win. I'm out, guys. I'm done for the day. So, that's me. You guys can re-enter where you want to. I am chilling now. Guys, that's just the thing. Like, if you want to talk about mindset and psychology, I can walk away now in a good mindset, knowing I got in, I killed the markets, I'm out. And I can bring it back tomorrow. Now I walk away, I know I'm up. I'm up quite a bit now, but because that really smashed my TP. I actually got a lot of slippage on that trade. So that smashes my TP. I have a brilliant trade. Now I go take a different type of trade. I take a loss. And then I start sitting there like, oh crap. I had the money, I lost the money. Now I want to start revenge trading. Walk away. Call it. It's TP. It's a profitable day. I'm up. I mean, we had someone say like, you down 2%. You now up 1%. Don't go enter. You being greedy. Just chill out, relax, enjoy the vibes. Put some music on if you want to. Chill out. So that's me, guys. I won't re-enter a trade now. Oh, Jevin. J Money. Is it too late to buy gold? It's too late if you want to scalp gold. But if you want to be like swinging gold, you've got a massive stop. Be my guest. But if you want to scalp, unfortunately, it is too late, my brother.
Back on that question quickly. On that question, is it too late to buy gold? Remember, guys, we're all traders here. Number one rule we learn as traders is you buy low and sell high. So, for instance, gold is high right now. You don't want to be buying high. You want to buy when price is low, in a discount, or you sell high when price is in a premium. So, always keep that in mind.
Yeah, no, perfect, Jeb. Spot on. Also, my thing is, guys, a lot of people don't understand this. If a move happens, the move happened. You're not going to catch it. It's not going to repeat itself. It's very rare that it does, but the move happened. So if you missed out, you missed out. It's one of those things. I always say to you people, you can lead a horse to water, but I can't make the water drink. I can be here to help you guys. You guys can learn, you can take the trades with me. But if you don't rock up on time, that's not my fault. Love it, Keeks. Great advice. Sometimes when I just can't help myself, I go from 3 lots to 3 lots, for example, but I'm following your lead. I'm in a good mood, so let's end it. Exactly, bro. Like you say, you're in a good mood now. 100%. Keep on moving there. Can't make the water drink. No, if I take a horse to water, I can't make the horse drink the water. I can take him there, but I can't make him drink the water.
There's another saying that goes.
Yeah?
There's another saying that goes, you can lead a horse to natural gas, but you can't make it invest.
Thanks, Keys, for US30. Retest entry point on US30. So, for example, guys, like US30. Guys, where are you seeing a retest? I've shown you Oaks' trade like 4 times. You want a retest of the 1 hour high, which is this white line. Where was this retested? So, yeah, and again, different story like this. Now, the move hasn't happened. Like, this isn't the move, guys. US30, this is tiny. US30, if you had something like you wanted to buy, yeah, and this thing's gone, then this entry, I would be like, nah, don't worry about it. Because you've missed half the move already. You see what I'm saying? You said water drink, haha. Oh, okay. Sorry, well, I don't think I did, but either way, you guys got the idea. But gold was a beautiful one today, guys. Another beautiful trade for the family. Thanks for the profits, bro. Gonna go smoke a lekker joint and go to the gym. Now you see, guys, that's the difference with us and Mr. Darren Dix. We trade, we smash our TPs, we in and we out, and now I'm gonna go hit the gym. And I can enjoy my session, I can chill out. I'm up 5% today thanks to Nas and gold trades. There we go. That's awesome to hear, guys. Again, you guys mustn't take it for granted being up 5% for a day, guys. That's a massive day. So again, up 5%. Don't be stupid. Don't go blow it. Don't overtrade. Call it a day. Walk away. Literally call it and you move on. Because literally, again, I always say to guys, if you're on a funded account, that's half your phase. That's half your challenge. If that was phase 2, that's literally phase 2 done. Bro, why does my charts look so different to yours? Different broker, different platform. In what sense? Are we talking color? What are we talking? So, your charts you can customize. So, obviously, my charts are the colors I've set them to be. Obviously, I've got my EMAs and indicators I have on. I've got my support areas I draw. So are we talking that, or are we talking the actual candles on the thing, the way the candles are? No, movement. Depends. So for example, if I'm different broker, so if I'm on gold, I'm using Oanda. You could be using a different one. So yeah, I use Oanda for basically all of my pairs. Keegan Peaches, my brother. It's a very good name you've got there. I like your name. OG Gaming, hey guys. OG, I think you missed the moves, my brother. I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but I think you missed the moves. Can you explain the retest concept? Okay, very simple, guys. So let's just go over here quickly. We'll do a little educational. So let's just say I've got these lines. So for example, I trade key levels. So these are my key levels. Okay. Market's here at the bottom, guys. So market comes to the bottom. We hold as support. We are now starting to do this. So market does something like this. Okay, so now we can see market is using this as support, obviously. Okay, so we expect that if it comes back down, we have the retest. Now if we come back up, we break this key level. Okay, so this is support, this is resistance. If we break, if anything, if resistance can do this, once resistance does this, we now know that is resistance, is holding its resistance. But once we break to this and we break above, we've now broken this resistance. It's no longer resistance. What happens? It becomes support. But I only know it's support once it's been confirmed. So what happens? I want a retest there, so I come back to this level that's now become support. The retest to push it away to confirm. That's my confirmation. Now I know it's holding as support. The second time it comes down, I'm now wanting the retest, because now I know it's most likely going to hold the support and not break through. So the second time I want the retest, I will enter on the retest because I know it's likely to go up. So very simple. So your first, when you break a zone, the first time is confirmation that it's going to hold. The second time I want the retest and I enter. Does that make sense? Little teacher moment from me. Okay, likewise, bro. I did so sad. I just looked. I had no power. Oh my word, bro. I needed up. Thanks. Called keys out on Discord for that mispronunciation. H, bro. Mispronunciation. Fine, bro. I could speak gibberish for all that it matters, but I can still trade. $197 views, 159 likes, guys. Come on, let's see. Can we get those likes up to 200? We brought the peaches, we brought the volume, we got some winning trades for you guys. It's been a good one. We're gonna see how long we can keep the streak going for you guys. It was funny, Jordan. I literally spat out my coke on my monitor. Yes, guys, chill out. Some of these monitors are expensive, bro. I'm gonna show you guys a sad story, actually. So I bought a new monitor for my setup at home. So I was gonna have two 32s with next to each other, and then a display monitor on the side. So I get the monitor, but when I get home, it's load shedding. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. Load shedding's gonna start ending. So I was like, oh damn, like I want to set up my new monitor. So I've got like the stands like on the wall, the mountings. So I pull it out and I was like, oh cool, like get my monitor ready, screwing all the little screws, you know how it goes. Now I just need to slide onto the mounting. So I put it on the mounting. Now I like battled for some reason to get this thing on the mountain. And I mean the 32s are quite heavy monitors. I mean they're big. So obviously now you got to like adjust the monitor. You got to keep tightening because it just wants to hang. So keep tightening. And eventually it's set up and it's looking beautiful. Like this is looking proper. The two 32s right. It's like, it looks like a flat screen just laid out across the table. And then my other monitor for like chats and things like that. And I'm like, no, this is gonna be good. So I'm literally like chilling out. I'm sitting here waiting for the power to come on. and the power comes on and the screens like light up, and as they light up there's this like mark on the side of the screen, and like I tested, it was straight to me, like this thing was fine, but I see this in like the glimpse on like the side of my eye, and I'm like, whoa, hold on, something's up here. Let me go turn my PC on. I turn this thing on, and as it turns on, it takes a while, and then it turns on, and straight down the side there's just this massive crack like across the screen, and I'm just like, oh my word, like you're joking, like no ways. And somehow in the flipping process of putting it up, or probably where I was, because how I did it is when I look at it, it's in like the middle of the screen on the side. So only place I could realize how I pressed there was obviously when I was fighting to get on the mountain. I clearly like gripped the screen too much, like my palm pushed on the screen and literally cracked it. Like I know these 4K monitors are so sensitive, but literally gripped it, broke the flipping screen, and then flipping insurance wouldn't pay out, nothing would pay out. So I've got a broken screen sitting at home now that I can't do anything with, but it was a very expensive screen and I can't do anything with it now. So breaking screens is a little bit of a touchy topic there for me, guys. Literally, I was so bleak. So now, if it comes to any setting things up, I refuse to do it in the dark in load shedding. Can I give you a damn check hello on TradingView? Sorry, it's Hello Labs. Hello Labs, bro. I don't get what you're trying to say, my man. Nobody always made that so hard, bro. I was bleak. It's all that trading, dude. Grip strength. Bro, and that's the thing, eh? Like, I'm just holding. I swear I wasn't pushing hard. Like, I was just holding the monitor. But obviously, like I said, those moments where you're fighting, I probably gripped a bit, and but I swear I didn't grip it hard. But again, the new monitors today, they are so fragile. I mean, it's like your phone. I always say to people, like the glass backs on our iPhones. You put an iPhone down to the table and you flip and shatter the back of it. It's oh Nas, my babe today. Nas, as I said, Nas we actually called, but I didn't get in on it. Yeah. Well, it came back, and as I said, it held the resistance as support. So that actually, if people were re-entering, that would have been the re-entry. I said if Nas held their support, that would have been another shot for you. US30, yeah, that thing's just gone. That thing never gave me my retest re-entry point, so that one we missed. But again, guys, we got a beautiful trade on gold, so I am happy. At least you break in the bank, oh bro. At least. Nas taking off, missed a trade. Ronwin, you missed about like 3 trades. We called US30 left with us. We called Nas. We called gold. We called gold. Some people called the Nas. And Jevons in GU. Hey Jev, GU. Keep forgetting.
GU and GJ. So GJ came back with a retest, and I took that trade on GJ as well.
Yeah, so yeah, bro. Big one. You missed like 4 trades. We moved today.
Now today was an awesome day. I'm up 5% on my funded account.
Yeah, there we go. Like as I said, and Jev, actually, you know, bro, I promise you, if you lose your trade and you don't take that 5%, I'm personally gonna smack you, my man. Hey guys, just want to know if we get anything in the Discord a bit later during news. Unfortunately not. As I say, guys, I've got my win. I'm not gonna trade news tonight. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade news. Again, first thing is, I mean, you've got other big news events the rest of the week, so no need to try force something with FMC. Thing is, FMC moves, but it's a perfect setup for the rest of the week, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, it is that LCD. You could maybe get it repaired, but depending on the monitor, it costs like 50% on the value of the monitor, so barely worth it. Yeah, bro, that's the thing. And I don't even know, where do you take monitors to go get repaired? Like, I actually like genuinely also googled this, and I couldn't find. Like, I just read, everyone says the same thing. They all say like, well, if it's broken, it's broken. But I can't actually see anywhere to take it where someone can give me a price on what it will cost to fix it. Should we hold Nas? Let me see, what do we do? I'll give you guys an idea. Nas first TP would be 14,575. So you're actually approaching TP now. So that would be where I would take my TP over here, this area. Literally, that's where I would take TP. Yeah, well, there's my answer on Nas. I definitely can go more, guys, but that for me, again, not gonna be stupid greedy. That's already a massive trade again, so I would take TP there. You are testing your resistance areas, but I do think you'll hit that 14,575. 5%, damn, keep it up. Yeah, we've had a few people hit 5% today, so really being good there. SPX is going mad. Why are you so about the news impact by? Why you are so sure about the news impact by on gold? So what news? Are we talking about the news that came out or the news that's coming out? What news are we talking about? Yes, I'm a plumber and had to get work done first. My friend is also streaming your live since yesterday. Tomorrow I'll definitely be in. Best stream, and I'll say it 1,000 times over. Really appreciate the kind words, my man. Really appreciate it. But yeah, I understand guys have got to work. That's always the tough one. But when there's a will, there's a way, eh? Yeah, this is the stream of the century. Really appreciate it, guys. I told you New York sessions might be short, but that's the idea, guys. Short and sweet, to the point. We make some money and we get out. So that is it. That's the idea, yeah. But yeah, Nas, guys, I would say literally you're right there. Like, that's your TP. So either, for me, at this point you're risking so much if it does turn around. So either, like, I'd even just say, just for safety, you could even just say 14,570. Like, it's right there. So either must just pump now and hit your TP. Otherwise, even just close. Call it and close it. Really thankful to have found the stream. You guys are the best. Really appreciate all the kind words, guys. Really do. Yeah, guys, and also, I mean, that's amazing, guys. 173, well, 176 viewers now. Literally 172 likes, so literally almost 100% like rate. I mean, like per viewer. So really awesome, guys.
Sorry, Cookie Geeks. For those of you guys who did take GJ, I'm actually gonna take a small profit here of 10 pips. And I'm keep on holding. I took some partials on gold, 2 partials on GU. Gonna hold them and hold them through the news tonight. So hopefully dollar weekends, and that will add on some more profits.
Oh, there we go. Can I ask you guys, why don't you post on X everything you go live? X is in like the old Twitter. I don't know. I don't have an X account that I can think of. I don't know if Chris has an X account. I don't think any of us have an X account. So I'm just checking about that. Maybe we'll start posting there. Maybe get some traction there as well. The more the merrier. So we'll see about that. About upcoming. Just so, guys, I am a very like fundamental based trader. I do love my fundamentals. So I spend a lot of time on that side of things. So I do study fundamentals and analyze them. Same way you analyze a chart, I analyze all the information I can get of fundamentals. So yeah, just pay attention. Our past brothers, thank you for the help. My last 3% was all thanks to you guys. Daniel, that is awesome, bro. Really happy for you, my man. Congrats. And then hopefully we'll see you trading that live account here with us soon as well. Nas on that day resistance level, so be careful if long. Like I said, guys, Nas could turn around, so I really hope you guys are closing out, not going to be greedy. Chris has. Okay, yeah, we'll tell Chris you must start posting it on there for it as well. Definitely hope we can get some more traction there. Much love. Going to celebrate now. Back on Monday as usual. That's it, bro. Celebrate. Enjoy it. Soak it all in. We'll see you on Monday, my man. Are you trading FOMC tonight? No, I'm not. We got our wins. I'm out. I don't need to trade news. But actually, on a serious note, guys, any fresh trades? We have about 4 fresh trades, but they've all either hit TP or long gone. So, yeah, missed out. Don't want to miss out. You need to be on time for the streams, guys. Well done on the W, guys. But yeah, guys, I think there, top us 4. We're gonna call it. We've got our trades. Jev, your 2 trades you in, eh?
Yeah, so I took a profit on GJ, and I took partials on GU, still holding GU and holding gold. So yeah, that's done for now. I feel like if you're gonna overtrade now, you can disappoint yourself.
Yeah, so yeah, guys, so just clarify, so Jev is out on GJ. He's taking profits from that. GU, he is taking partials. Is your stop loss a break even, Jev?
Yes, everything is at break even, everything.
Yeah, so taking partials, but stop losses are at break even. So if there's any trade still running, stop losses are at break even. The Nas, guys, please, I hope you guys took your profits. Don't be greedy. And then, yeah, is it possible to see when Jev enters trade somewhere? We do let you guys show you, but he entered those trades very, very long ago. It's not like it was recent. That's why we're not showing it now. But we do show you when he enters the trades. But otherwise, guys, I think we're going to call it there. It's been a good one. We've got our trades. We've got our money. We're going to pack our bags and go. But as always, guys, peace and love. We'll see you guys same place. We'll check you in the morning as well, guys. Don't sleep on it. Myself and Chris in the morning, bell. So hopefully see you there in the morning. And then myself and Jev will be back for New York session again tomorrow. Let's keep the streak going. Let's keep running it up. Peace and love, guys. We're out.